Hello everyone. Welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to introduce you to our topic, website creation with iBARE. Today we'll explore how you can design stunning websites effortlessly using AI-powered tools, no coding required. We'll also touch on how ADollarclass Inc. is leading the way in this innovative space. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the key features and benefits of iBARE, showing you how it can transform your approach to website development. Let's get started. Today, I want to talk about how AI is transforming website creation. We're calling this AI-driven website creation, which means that artificial intelligence is now playing a central role in building and designing websites more efficiently and effectively than ever before. First, let's look at iBARE functionality. This refers to how AI tools like iBARE can automate many of the complex tasks involved in website development. From layout design to content generation, iBARE streamlines the process, making it faster and more accessible for everyone. Next, we have website applications. These are the various ways AI-powered websites can serve different needs, whether it's e-commerce, informational sites, or interactive platforms. The key thing to remember is that AI not only helps in creating these applications, but also enhances their functionality, personalization, and user experience. Connecting this to our overall theme, AI-driven website creation is revolutionizing how we approach digital development, offering smarter, more adaptable solutions that save time and improve outcomes. Let's talk about AI-driven website creation. This is a really exciting area because it leverages the power of artificial intelligence to streamline and enhance the process of building websites. Instead of spending hours coding or designing, AI tools can now generate websites quickly and efficiently, often with minimal input. These tools analyze your needs and preferences to create customized layouts, content, and even design elements that match your brand. The most important concept here is that AI isn't just automating tasks. It's empowering us to focus more on strategy and creativity, while the technology handles the technical details. This shift is a key part of our overall theme, how technology is transforming digital experiences and making sophisticated tools accessible to everyone. AI-driven website creation is a perfect example of that ongoing evolution. Let's talk about iBARE as your design co-pilot. Think of it as your creative guide for websites, helping you understand your goals and then suggesting the best builders for your project. It also generates layout ideas, guides you through branding choices, and connects everything with suitable templates to bring your vision to life. When it comes to choosing the right platform, iBARE helps you compare options like Wix, Framer, Durable, Typedream, and others, all based on your specific project needs. This way, you can make informed decisions without the guesswork. As you work through your website, iBARE offers step-by-step assistance. It asks follow-up questions to better understand your preferences, recommends the most suitable platforms, helps generate a solid structure, suggests visuals, and guides you through customizing your site successfully. And with its smart prompting system, iBARE responds to your specific requests, whether you need layout ideas, content suggestions, or detailed guidance on implementation. It's like having a creative partner right beside you, making the entire process smoother and more intuitive. So traditionally, creating a website involved a lot of coding, which could be quite complex and time-consuming. But now, with the advancements in AI-powered tools, that's all changing. These new tools can generate websites simply from a few prompts, making the process much more accessible. Think of iBARE as your creative partner. It's there to guide you through the process. It can suggest the best builders to use and even generate layout options that align with your goals, helping you stay focused on what you want to achieve. There are also several AI website builders like Wix, Framer, Durable, and others. These platforms allow you to create professional-looking websites without needing any technical knowledge. They're designed to be user-friendly, so anyone can build a site that looks great. And the best part? You can design websites without writing any code at all. You simply provide prompts, and the AI helps create responsive, accessible sites. Plus, with drag-and-drop customization, you can fine-tune the design to match your vision easily. Overall, this shift to AI-driven website creation is really about democratizing design. It empowers more people to bring their ideas online quickly, efficiently, and beautifully, fitting perfectly into our theme of making digital tools more accessible for everyone. Let's start by looking at the traditional design process. Typically, you'd need to learn HTML and CSS, which can be quite a steep learning curve. Then, you might use complex CMS platforms, which often require technical skills and can be challenging to navigate. Plus, designers and copywriters often struggle to get everything just right, leading to delays and frustrations. Now compare that to the iBARE plus AI approach. Instead of diving into code, you simply tell the AI what you want. You can customize your design easily with drag-and-drop tools, making the process much more intuitive. And the best part? It generates SEO-friendly content instantly, saving a lot of time and effort. Speaking of time and skill, the traditional process can take weeks, sometimes longer, especially if you're trying to do it all yourself or coordinate between teams. With the new approach, you can get a website up and running in just hours. It shifts the focus from technical expertise to creative direction, making it accessible even if you're not a developer. Instead of coding, you're just prompting the AI. Finally, let's talk about costs. Traditional development involves hefty developer fees, ongoing maintenance costs, and continuous updates. On the other hand, AI-powered tools are much more affordable. They reduce costs significantly and make updates simple, so you don't have to worry about expensive fixes or constant technical support. Overall, this shift from old to new design methods is about making website creation faster, cheaper, and more accessible, empowering anyone to build great digital experiences. Let's talk about AI website builders. These are automated platforms that leverage artificial intelligence to create websites with minimal effort from us. The really exciting part is that you don't need to be a tech expert to get a professional-looking site up and running. Some of the popular tools in this space include Wix ADI, Framer AI, Durable, Typedream, and 10web. Each of these offers specialized features tailored for different needs, whether you're building a portfolio, an online shop, or a blog. When choosing the right AI website builder, tools like iBARE come into play. They help you select the best platform based on your specific goals, making the decision process much easier. And the best part? You don't have to write any code. Instead, you can create impressive websites simply by using AI prompts and drag-and-drop interfaces. It's a game changer for anyone wanting a professional site without the complexity of traditional programming. Let's walk through the journey from idea to live site. First, we take your concept and turn it into a real, functioning website. With AI-powered tools, you can transform your vision quickly, no long development cycles. Instead of months, you're looking at just hours to complete your project, thanks to iBARE's streamlined process. And the best part? No coding skills are necessary. You can build a professional website using intuitive AI guidance and simple drag-and-drop interfaces, making the process accessible to everyone. Plus, you get guided customization, which means step-by-step assistance in personalizing templates, layouts, and content so your website truly reflects your brand. It's all about making website creation faster, easier, and more tailored to your needs. Let's take a closer look at the iBARE functionality. This slide highlights the core features that make iBARE a powerful tool. First, it's designed to streamline your workflows, making processes more efficient and less prone to errors. It also offers intuitive user interfaces, so you don't have to be a tech expert to navigate it effectively. One of the key strengths is its flexibility, allowing customization to match your specific needs. And importantly, iBARE seamlessly integrates with existing systems, which means you can incorporate it into your current infrastructure without hassle. Overall, these functionalities are what enable iBARE to support your goals and drive better results across your operations. Let's talk about creative guidance and how AI can serve as your design co-pilot. With iBARE, it understands your goals, suggests the best builders for your project, generates layout ideas, and guides you through branding and publishing steps. It's like having a creative partner right by your side. Next, we have smart prompting techniques. The key here is to be specific with your requests. Whether it's asking for particular layouts, content suggestions, or step-by-step guidance, these prompts help ensure your website creation is effective and efficient. The more precise you are, the better the AI can assist you. Now, onto design principles enforcement. This is crucial for creating professional-looking websites. The AI helps maintain clean typography, balanced spacing, and user-friendly navigation. It also ensures your calls to action are clear and visuals load quickly, which keeps visitors engaged and improves overall user experience. Finally, the system offers personalized recommendations. Based on your specific project goals, whether you're building a portfolio, an online shop, a blog, or a business site, it suggests the most suitable tools. This tailored approach helps streamline your workflow and ensures you're using the right features for your unique needs. All these elements together support our overall theme of making website creation smarter, easier, and more aligned with your vision. Now, let's talk about some tool recommendations to help you build your website more efficiently. First, we have AI-powered website builders like Wix ADI, Framer AI, Durable, Typedream, 10Web, and Teleport HQ. These platforms offer automated design solutions tailored to different website needs. So whether you're creating a portfolio, an online shop, or a blog, there's a tool that can make the process faster and easier. Next is personalized tool selection. Here, iBARE plays a key role by recommending the best platform for you based on your specific goals. So, if you're aiming to showcase your work, sell products, or share your thoughts through a blog, iBARE guides you to the most suitable option. We also have smart prompt examples. You can ask iBARE for help with things like landing pages, layouts, builder recommendations, or site structures. It's like having a personal assistant that provides customized guidance to streamline your design process. Finally, iBARE emphasizes design principle integration. This means ensuring your website has clean typography, balanced spacing, user-friendly navigation, clear calls to action, and visuals that load quickly. All these elements work together to create a professional, engaging, and effective website that aligns with your overall goals. Let's talk about layout generation. With AI-powered structure creation, iBARE helps us build responsive layouts that are tailored to our specific goals and audience needs. It's about creating designs that not only look good, but also serve the purpose effectively. Next, we have visual hierarchy. This is crucial because it guides the user's eye through the content naturally. By balancing spacing, using clean typography, and ensuring clear navigation, we create an optimal user experience that keeps users engaged and makes information easy to find. Moving on to customization options, iBARE makes it simple to modify templates with drag-and-drop tools. And the best part is, you can do this while still maintaining professional design standards. It's about empowering us to customize quickly without sacrificing quality. Finally, mobile responsiveness is key. All layouts automatically adapt to different screen sizes, ensuring that our content looks great and functions seamlessly across all devices. This is essential in today's mobile-first world, where users expect a consistent experience no matter how they access our content. Overall, these features come together to make our design process smarter, faster, and more adaptable, helping us deliver better experiences to our users. Let's walk through the step-by-step website journey. First, it's crucial to define your goal. Understand what you want your website to achieve and who your target audience is before you start building. This foundation helps guide every decision you make later on. Next, choose the right platform. iBARE recommends tools like Typedream or Framer because they suit different needs and skill levels. Picking the right platform ensures your website is both functional and easy to manage. Then, generate your structure. Think of creating a clear homepage layout and content plan. Using AI-guided suggestions can really streamline this process, helping you organize information in a logical and engaging way. Finally, add visuals. Incorporate stock images or AI-generated visuals that align with your brand identity. Visuals are powerful. They attract visitors and make your message more memorable. This step-by-step approach ties into our overall theme of building a compelling website efficiently and effectively. It's about clarity, choosing the right tools, planning thoughtfully, and making your site visually appealing. Let's talk about some smart prompting techniques to get the best results from iBARE. First, it's important to craft specific requests. When you're prompting iBARE, clearly state your website goals, your target audience, and the features you're aiming for. This helps ensure the suggestions are aligned with what you need. Next, include design preferences. Mention your preferred style, color schemes, or layout ideas so iBARE can tailor its recommendations accordingly. Another useful tip is to ask for alternatives. Don't settle for just one option. Request multiple layouts, tools, or content approaches. This way, you can compare and choose what fits best. And finally, follow up with questions. If the initial suggestions aren't perfect, ask targeted questions about how to implement or customize certain features. Using these techniques makes your prompts more effective and helps you harness iBARE's full potential, ultimately leading to better website design outcomes. Let's dive into some key design principles that help us create effective and user-friendly experiences. First, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the core pillars we'll focus on. Starting with clean typography and hierarchy, this means choosing fonts and text sizes that are easy to read and structuring content in a way that guides the user naturally through the information. A clear visual hierarchy helps users understand what's most important at a glance. Next is balanced spacing. Proper spacing creates visual breathing room between elements, which not only makes the design more appealing, but also improves usability, especially on mobile devices where space is limited. It helps prevent clutter and confusion. Moving on to user-friendly navigation. This involves designing menus and pathways that are intuitive and straightforward. When visitors can find what they need quickly and easily, they're more likely to stay engaged and have a positive experience. Finally, clear calls to action. Well-placed buttons and links act as signposts, guiding users toward the actions we want them to take, whether that's signing up, making a purchase, or simply exploring more content. They're essential for driving conversions and engagement. Altogether, these principles reinforce our overall goal, creating a seamless, engaging experience that guides users effortlessly and encourages meaningful interaction. Let's talk about website applications. These are essential tools that allow us to deliver content and services directly through a web browser. They can range from simple informational sites to complex platforms that support e-commerce, social networking, or even custom business processes. The key point here is flexibility. Website applications can be accessed anywhere, anytime, as long as there's an internet connection. This makes them incredibly valuable for reaching a broad audience and providing seamless user experiences. As we continue exploring digital tools, understanding the role of website applications highlights how critical web-based solutions are in today's interconnected world. They truly bridge the gap between users and digital services, supporting our overall goal of effective digital transformation. Let's talk about personal portfolios and how they can truly showcase your talents. First, by displaying your projects visually, using AI-generated layouts, you can highlight your unique skills and accomplishments in a way that catches the eye. This visual approach makes your work stand out and gives viewers an immediate sense of your capabilities. Next, including a professional bio helps tell your story, who you are, what you do, and what drives you, building a personal connection with your audience. Coupled with clear contact options, such as easy-to-use forms and multiple ways to reach you, we make it simple for potential clients or employers to get in touch. Another important aspect is mobile optimization. With responsive design suggestions from iBARE, your portfolio will look perfect on any device, be it a phone, tablet, or desktop, ensuring your work is accessible anytime, anywhere. And lastly, creating compelling personal narratives through AI-assisted copywriting allows you to connect more deeply with your audience. Sharing your story and your journey in a way that resonates can make all the difference in turning interest into opportunities. Altogether, these elements work together to make your portfolio not just a collection of work, but a powerful tool for professional growth and connection. Now, let's take a look at some of the key types of pages that can really enhance your online presence. First up, we have business landing pages. These are designed to introduce your company or service and guide visitors toward taking a specific action. They often include clear calls to action, making it easy for potential clients to reach out or learn more. Next, service landing pages focus on showcasing your professional services. The goal here is to highlight what you offer with compelling visuals and persuasive descriptions, encouraging visitors to become clients. Moving on, product showcase pages are all about displaying your products attractively. Using high-quality visuals and detailed descriptions helps generate interest and drive sales by making your products irresistible to visitors. Then we have bookings and portals. These features enable your clients to schedule appointments or access personalized information securely. It's a convenient way to streamline interactions and provide a seamless experience. Finally, these page types are especially valuable for small businesses. Whether you're a freelancer, creative professional, educator, or entrepreneur, they help you establish a strong, professional online presence that attracts and retains your target audience. Overall, these pages are essential tools in building a comprehensive online platform that connects you effectively with your clients and customers. Now, let's talk about service showcases and how they can make a real difference. Effectively showcasing your services means presenting your offerings in a way that is both clear and visually compelling. Use engaging visuals and concise descriptions to quickly capture potential clients' attention and give them a solid understanding of what you provide. Next, it's crucial to highlight the key benefits of your services. Instead of just listing features, focus on how your services lead to positive outcomes for your clients. This helps demonstrate the true value you bring and sets you apart from competitors. Including client testimonials can also build trust. Authentic reviews from satisfied clients serve as powerful validation of your expertise and the quality of your services. They create credibility and reassure prospects that they're making a wise choice. Finally, a clear pricing structure is essential. Transparent pricing options help visitors understand what they're paying for and make informed decisions without any confusion. When you combine these elements, effective showcasing, highlighting benefits, sharing testimonials, and clear pricing, you create a compelling presentation that attracts and converts potential clients, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of building trust and demonstrating value. When it comes to accessibility considerations, there are a few key points I want to highlight. First, choosing readable fonts is essential. You want fonts that are clear and easy to read across all devices and screen sizes, so no matter how someone is accessing your content, they can easily understand it. Next, we have color contrast. Ensuring there's sufficient contrast between your text and background helps improve visibility for everyone, especially users with visual impairments. Then, there's alt text. Adding descriptive alternative text for images is crucial because it allows users who rely on screen readers to understand the visual content you're sharing. Lastly, mobile performance plays a big role. It's important to test your website on various devices to make sure it functions smoothly and remains readable on smaller screens. All these points tie back to the overall goal of making digital content accessible and inclusive for all users. Let's talk about ethical design practices, which are essential for creating truly inclusive websites. First, the principle of inclusive design is all about making sure that everyone, regardless of their abilities or limitations, can use your website comfortably. It's about thinking beyond the average user and designing with empathy. Next, readable fonts are crucial. Choosing typography that's clear and easy to read across all devices ensures that your content is accessible to everyone, whether they're on a phone, tablet, or desktop. This simple step can make a big difference in user experience. Color accessibility is also key. You want to make sure there's enough contrast between text and background colors. This improves visibility for users with visual impairments and enhances overall readability for everyone. Lastly, adding alt text to images is an important practice. Descriptive alt text helps screen readers convey information to users who can't see the images, supporting accessibility and also boosting your SEO efforts. All of these practices align with the broader goal of ethical design, creating websites that are welcoming, usable, and respectful of all users. Let's talk about how independent creators can really take control of their website building process. You don't need any coding skills to get started. With AI-powered tools, you can create professional-looking websites quickly and easily, transforming your ideas into a published site in just a matter of hours instead of weeks. This means you can move from concept to live site much faster, which is a huge advantage. And when it comes to design, you're not alone. Tools like iBARE offer AI design assistance, giving you layout suggestions, content ideas, and overall guidance to make your site look polished and professional. Plus, if you're unsure about which website builder to choose, you can get personalized recommendations tailored specifically to your needs. All of these features are about empowering you as an independent creator, making website creation accessible, fast, and tailored to your goals. This aligns perfectly with our overall theme of democratizing digital presence and giving everyone the tools to succeed online. Thanks. I really appreciate everyone taking the time to be here today. I hope the information we've shared has been insightful and useful for your understanding. Remember, the key points we've discussed highlight the importance of continuous learning and adaptation in our field. It's all about applying these concepts to make a real impact. If you take away one thing from today, let it be the value of staying curious and open to new ideas. Thank you again for your attention and engagement throughout this presentation. I look forward to seeing how you all implement these ideas moving forward.